Hi everyone, good evening, and welcome to the day 5 of digital marketing training, which is the last day. Okay, so if you're able to make it to this day, I say congratulations. At least you've been able to gain some knowledge, and then you can also apply the knowledge and do some things with it. Okay, so I can assure you that if you go back to the video and then you follow all the process that has been stated from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, should be able to apply some knowledge and then get a very good skill out of what has been taught. All right, so I'm just going to do recap today, and then I'm going to talk about LinkedIn and how you can actually optimize your page, and then how you can try to create a company page on LinkedIn as well. All right. So day one, I remember going through introduction into digital marketing. I mentioned the differences between traditional marketing and online marketing, and then I was able to explain the inbound and the outbound kind of marketing. Okay. So we were able to do that in day one, and then I showed us the process and what is needed as a digital marketer. Then day two, we did SEO. Okay, we did SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. How you can optimize your blog. Remember, I said blog is like a content that you post on your website. Okay, so it's like what you post on your social media. You create a design, you create a video, and then you post it on your social media. So blog is like that for website. So it helps your website to be found. Okay, so most of the time what people see are blogs. It is not websites. So from that blog, they can easily navigate to your website and then check out whatever it is that you're selling. All right, so we're able to optimize that blog well. So there is still a deeper part to all of these things that has been taught. So which is where your own research comes in and where you register for a full course as well. Okay, so if you know you want to go further, you can do your research very well, and you can also keep learning. It does not end. Even me as an instructor, I still keep learning because trends change. You keep checking what is trending. This is about online, so you keep checking what is trending. All right, and then day three we did social media management. All right, so different social media and different content that fit into this social media platform. So we covered Facebook and Instagram. Okay, we're able to manage them and we're able to optimize them, post content on them at the same time. And then day four, which was yesterday, we were able to run ad. Okay, we ran ad on both of them. How you can create your ad account and how you can run ad on Ads Manager. All right. So today happens to be the day 5. So Level 5 is just to show you how LinkedIn works. Okay, LinkedIn is a professional platform. I've showed you Facebook and Instagram. All right, so today is just going to be LinkedIn. I know we've been hearing about LinkedIn, been hearing how crowded LinkedIn can be, but I can tell you that there are a lot of opportunities on LinkedIn if you know how to market yourself. Okay, clients comes to LinkedIn to search for professionals. So it depends on how you place yourself on this platform, that is how you'll be found. Okay, so if you are more of a social person, you are more of showcasing your lifestyle and all of that, you can do that on Instagram, you can do that on TikTok. But if you want to show yourself as a professional, you want to show yourself as a 9 to 5, you want to show yourself as someone that works with documents, with papers and all of that, you might have to focus and channel all your energies on LinkedIn. All right, so people believe that LinkedIn is a platform where people tell lies. Okay, they just come and then they start telling you that I just got promoted into so mix everything together, and then it feels like you cannot belong, especially for starters. They believe that they cannot belong on LinkedIn platform because they don't have any achievements. But I can tell you categorically that it is not like that. Okay, what it is that people just know how to package. It is packaging. All right, so you just need to know how to put your words together. You need to know how to put your words together. Sounds like someone that knows what he or she is talking about, and then you are good to go. Okay, so don't mince your word, and then don't try to form like you are just, you don't know anything, or you are just playing around. No, sound like professional, sound like you own the space, sound like you own the skills that you claim to own. Okay, so don't just come to LinkedIn and then just do your stuff and go out. No, try to pass information, try to educate people. That's what LinkedIn is about. Try to educate people. So it's a professional platform. All right, so I'm just going to navigate to my browser now and then show you how to optimize your LinkedIn page. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to optimize your LinkedIn page. All right, so if you want to register on LinkedIn, let's say you don't have a LinkedIn account and you want to register as a professional, just go to linkedin.com. Go to linkedin.com and sign up. All right, linkedin.com and sign up. All right, so just like Facebook too, you can use one LinkedIn profile to manage different companies accounts. All right, so this is my profile now and I have a couple of accounts. I have a couple of companies under me here that my profile is managing. All right, so you need to optimize your page. First thing first, optimize your page. And remember what I said about optimization. Optimization is you giving a platform whatever it is that is asking you to give it. All right, so if you optimize your LinkedIn page very well, you can even download it as your CV. So it will be the CV that you use for all your job search and all of that. So if you optimize it properly, and optimization in this sense, you need keywords that are trending, keywords that the industry uses. You need a keyword, you need to put the right keyword in your bio, you need to put the right keyword in your headline, you need to put the right keyword in your educations, your experience. You need to just put it around so that when people search, they can easily find you. All right, so now this is where they search. You just see they will just come here and just search for digital marketers. Okay, and just like Google, just like search engine, they don't go further, they don't go down, so they just want to work with people that are in the first page. Okay, they want to work with people that are in the first page. If they can't find, then they try to change their search result. Okay, so that is how it works. They can even be specific and just say digital marketers in Lagos. Okay, digital marketers in Lagos, and then it will bring out results based on what people have imputed in their profile. Okay, that's how it will bring out result, and then they can now check the person's profile. If they see that, okay, this particular person, let me just click on this person, feel like this particular person is good enough with what the person claims to have on their bio, then they might go ahead and just give the person a chance. All right, this person's bio is just, this person's profile is not really detailed. This is not detailed, but at least the person is still appearing. So as long as the person have it in their headline and stuff, okay, and there is Lagos here, so it came up. So you just need to put all the necessary information so that you will be found. Okay, employers tend to come on LinkedIn and just do a hunt just to search for professionals that they can use for their platform. All right, so now I'm going to show us how to optimize our page. Okay, so you go to linkedin.com. Once you have your linkedin.com, you can just come here, edit your headline, edit your cover picture, actually edit your cover photo. So you can use Canva. I don't know if I've mentioned Canva. You can use Canva to actually generate this. So let me just show this briefly on Canva. So just go to canva.com. Okay, okay, let's wait for it to come up. So once you go to canva.com, you can just put it in the search bar and then search for LinkedIn cover picture. It will bring out the right size for you. We are specific because we want the right size. So just do LinkedIn cover picture or cover photo, anyone works. Okay, so it will bring out different templates for you to use. So you can easily just edit any of them. All right, so if you scroll down, you will see different ones. Okay, this is the correct size for LinkedIn. This is the correct size. So you can just click on them and then start editing. It will not take you anything. Just click on one and then you can customize that particular page to whatever it is that you want. This is customize this template. It is that easy, that straightforward. So you can put your name, you can change your color. Let's say you have a particular favorite color that you want to use to showcase your brand. So you can change the color, you can change the name, you can add your picture. If you feel like you want to add your picture, you can add your picture. So Canva can help you achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve. See, I can easily change this to Olawumi. Okay, it won't take anything. It is that easy. Just say maybe digital marketer, and then you export it and then you put it into your LinkedIn. Sometimes it might take a while, maybe some few minutes before it comes up, but that is how easy it is. You don't need plenty energy to start putting things together. But if you have creative words that can make people just fall in love with your cover picture, then it's fine. You can go ahead and show your creativity. All right. So the next thing here, the next important thing here, you put your profile picture. Put your profile picture, and please don't use just anyhow profile picture. Don't use when you were on the beach or when you were eating shawarma with someone. Get a professional headshot where you're wearing a shirt and then you just have your headshot. Okay, so get a professional headshot. It attracts employers, attracts people. When they see your face, sometimes they want to see your face actually. So my work for you. All right. So another important thing is this headline. See this headline here. So when you click on this pencil icon, actually ChatGPT can help you to achieve something like that. But it is not bad if you think of one or two things to put together as well. So you can change this and just say data marketer, business developer, SEO analyst. I've had this for a while here. So SEO analyst, paid media specialist. Okay, you can just do that. All right, so you put your current position, but if you don't know exactly what to put, you can just go to ChatGPT, tell it to give you a very good prompt. Okay, it should give you a very good prompt. You should give it a very good prompt that it will give you what you're looking for. So I can just say write a professional write a professional LinkedIn headline for suitable for a digital marketer. Use industry based keywords that will enhance ranking in search. All right. So you can actually modify your prompt depending on whatever it is you want. So I'm just going to give it this particular prompt and then see what I have. Okay. So let's see what LinkedIn will give me. Digital marketer, digital marketing specialist, SEO, SEM, and content strategy. You can see all of these things. Driving ROI with data driven campaign. This is not a bad idea. So you can just copy this, and then put it in your headline. Okay, because their own crawlers crawls the headline, crawls everything to bring out results for employers. Okay, so and also for your colleague, it does not necessarily have to be employer. Somebody might just want to collaborate with you, or somebody might just want to learn from you, intern from you. So this is how you get found, and I can assure you that the more you get found, the more it is better for you. Okay, so if you have a very good headline, you just see that people are sending connection requests, and that's how you grow your connection. People will just keep sending connection requests, and you might build your page to an extent that at the end of the day you become someone that optimizes page for people. That's how it is. They'll just tell you that I can optimize your page for 5,000, 10,000, whatever it is. It's just for them to put all the necessary information in your profile. That's just what they are doing. It's not like they are doing anything special. Okay, so your current position, you put everything in. If you have current position, you put all your current position and the company you work. Okay, you put your education, you put your portfolio if you have one. This is mine. You put your portfolio if you have one, then you save. So at the end of the day, you will have your headline here, you will have your portfolio saved, and then the company that you chose that you're working with too will be here. So that's how you help the company, and then the company helps you as well, because it shows credibility. Whenever they search for this company, you might actually come up as well. So both of you are actually together helping each other. So if you have good headline like this and good about section, they can easily contact you. Okay, and you can easily be found. People will keep sending connections. I can tell you, I have close to 1,000 connections, and the one I sent not up to 10 or 20 that I sent to people. They kept sending it. Once I optimize my profile like this, the next minute you just be seeing connections. People will keep sending connections. So that's just how it works. People want to relate with people that are good, that shows expertise in what they do. All right. So the next important thing is your about section. Okay, you need to optimize your about section. Now if you check this add profile section, just click on add profile section, you will see all of these things that you need to put. Okay, you add your education, whether it's primary school, you add it, whether it's a professional certificate, you add it as well. Okay, so you add your education, you add everything. For example, I can just add this. That's if it's going to be found. Okay. All right. So what degree? I say B.Ed. This is what I have. Okay. So field of study, you put it, the date, the year, the grade you have, and everything. So if you have skills, different skills, you can keep adding your skills. Okay, the five top skills that you know that it is needed in your industry. For example, now for digital marketers, what people search for, you will see digital marketer. Definitely that is a very good skill in the industry. Then you will see something like social media manager, you will see SEO expert, you will see email marketer, you will see Google ad specialist. Okay, so those are the keywords in your industry that you need to add to your skill. And then if you have images of your achievement, you can just add it. All right, so when you're done, you save. So that's how you keep saving and saving. So you keep adding. It does not end on just education. So you click on the about add profile section, you will see the things that you need to add: your position, the services you offer, your career break, and then the skills that you have. Okay, those things are very, very important. And also you can also ask for recommendation from people. Let's say you work for someone and then the person actually applaud what you've done. Okay, you can just tell the person to give you recommendation on LinkedIn. Okay, so once the person approves to give you recommendation, you can just click on add recommendation here. So the person writes a particular something for you, and then so that they can actually know that you know what you claim to know. So you search for the person on LinkedIn. The person is on LinkedIn, you just search for the person, and then the person gets an invite to write notification for you, to write recommendation for you. And then from there, if you scroll down your page, you will see recommendation there. You will see recommendation. All right. So I haven't asked for recommendation yet, so that's why it's not there. So that's just how it works. So once you're done with that section, now for those that have not done it before, you see some other ones that are not included here, like about. Now your about section is very, 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 very important, and it has to be long. Don't just write I am a digital marketer and I've been working for 2 years and then that's it. No, you add what you did as a digital marketer. So your about sections will come here. Okay, so your about section will come here. You can always edit it. You can always edit your about section. Okay, see what I have here. I have a very long word. So you can come to ChatGPT, tell the guy to write a well optimized LinkedIn about section for a digital marketer. Okay, okay, with at least 2,000 characters using the prominent keyword for the industry. Okay, so I mentioned it before. The way you write your prompt for this AI is the way they will generate it for you. Okay, so you can see I'm a result driven. Now these are the keywords. When you see SEO, SEM, content marketing, social media, all these things are the keywords. So they will be found in whatever about that they are writing for you. So you need to actually use something like this for your about section. Don't feel like it's too much, but please, first thing, you read it and make sure that it is correct. Okay, don't just copy and paste. That is not ideal. That is not a good practice. Okay, so you read it and then you make sure, oh, the information here is correct. You can see tools I love, let's connect, all those things, how I add value, industry success, and all of that. So anyone that reads this knows that okay, you at least know what you're doing to some extent. Okay, so you add your about section. Now while you are adding your about section, you can also add skills underneath. Okay, you can also add the skills that you have underneath. Okay, so you can show your top 5 skills that you have under your about section. So it is 5 actually, like I add in this place. So you save once you're done, and then you have your about section. So if the keyword is there, once they are searching for you, you come up. So that is the whole idea, for you to be found. Okay, so all your posts, everything you've done will be here. So this is your experience part. Now you have to add your experience too. As you're progressing in your ladder of promotion, okay, in your professional journey, you keep adding them here. Okay, like I said, you can use this as your CV. Most company, if you're applying, most companies they ask for your LinkedIn, especially companies that knows what they are looking for. They ask for your LinkedIn page, they ask for your LinkedIn account. Okay, so your LinkedIn should showcase whatever it is that you're doing, and don't stop posting. I know it might be tasking to be continually posting. It is actually, and to be thinking of content that can actually make people want to stay on your page. So you need to keep posting. And then for if you have licenses and certificates, actually I have quite a number of licenses. Okay, so I got some from LinkedIn Learning. Okay, there is a platform for LinkedIn Learning. So I got a lot of them from LinkedIn Learning. I got some from other places as well. So you add your licenses and certificates based on each courses, based on each topics that you know. Okay, so you keep adding, you keep adding. So you don't just stop. Okay, for here I have 13 licenses and certificates. I don't think I've added four sef. So you keep adding your certificates, you keep adding your licenses, put everything here. This is where you show your power as a professional. This is where you show your skill, showcase it, be proud of what you know. Okay, so you keep adding your skills and everything. The skill level, actually, you cannot stop. You can add up to 100 skills. If you're trying to apply for a job, they might tell you that okay, the job is asking for 7 skills and you have only 3 skills. So they will even advise you to add 4 more skills that the job is asking for. So LinkedIn actually makes it seamless for you to have a good professional life. So once you are done with all of this, then you are good to go. You will start getting connections. I can assure you, people will come and connect with you. They will try to come and connect with you. As long as you optimize your page, people will come and try to connect with you. All right, so that is for optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Just try to optimize your LinkedIn profile. If you want me to check it once you are done, you can drop your link in the group, or you drop your link in the comment section. I'll try and review it and then give you my feedback from my own point of view. Okay, so once you're done with your profile, let's say you now have a company, you're managing a company's page. Okay, or let's say the company does not have a page yet and you need to create a company page for them. You don't just create a LinkedIn account. No, you don't create a LinkedIn account for the company. What you create is a page, the same way you create a Facebook page, the same way you create a LinkedIn page. And like I said, you can run ads on LinkedIn as well. Okay, you can run ad, but it might be a little bit expensive for we on this part. Okay, because it's in dollars. So you can run ad for on LinkedIn as well. All right, so and also you can also have the premium version. You can have the premium version on LinkedIn. With that premium version, nobody people with free version will not be able to message you just anyhow. So people with high profile, they used to do that because people can message people anyhow. Okay, so we call it code mail or code call or code message. Okay, it means that you're sending messages to people that you have a particular service or you have a particular product that you want them to know about. So once you search on LinkedIn, you can just search for hiring. So you search for hiring, you will see some people that are hiring. So if those people are not locked, like if those people's profile are not locked, you can easily just message them. Okay, you can easily message them. This person is hiring. There's opportunity to join the team. So if you click on his profile and then you try to message him and he's telling you that you have to go premium, that means the person is actually using a premium account. See, the button is okay. You see, the person is actually using a premium account. So I had the premium account before, but I think I had to cancel it. All right, so now that is for your profile. Now for your page, for your company page, okay, you can create a company page for your business. Now this is how you do it. Okay, you just come here, you see this for business icon here, the same icon that it's in Facebook is the same icon here. Like I said yesterday, all of them, if you can do Facebook ad, meta actually, if you can do meta ad properly, then you can do almost every other ad aside from Google, which is a little bit tricky. So you can do every other ad too successfully. They use the same thing. So if you click on this for business, if you scroll down, you will see create a company page here. So just click on create a company page. So it will ask you whether you want to create a company, a full company, or you just want to showcase a page of an existing page. You just want to showcase a page of a company that is already existing, or you want to create a page for education, right? So that's what this one is about. So if you create for a company, that means the staff in the company can actually link it as a company. But if you create for educational institute, the students can actually use it as an institute that they attended. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, so now let me say I'm creating for a company. Now I can name my company. I think I've used company for practice before, so let's use company for practice. Now the name you gave your company is the link that you will have, linkedin.com/company/company for practice. So that's the way your link will be. So if you have a site, you can just use your site. Let me try and use my portfolio. Okay, so the industry that you belong to, you can just say digital. Let's see if we have that. All right, this is what we have. So the company size, 2 to 10. All right, organization type, you check and make sure that your organization type is correct. Then if you have a company logo, you go ahead with it. Then your tagline can be something like a um, proficient digital marketing digital marketing agency. Okay, so something like that. So once you verify, you can go ahead and create the page. So once you create the page, you can easily find your pages here. Just click on this me icon here, and then you find your pages there. All right, so let's go on a 2 minute break now. I'm going to come back, and then from there I'll show you how you make your post and how you check your analytics and do other stuff as a business owner on LinkedIn. Okay, so we'll be back in the next 2 minutes, right? Right, okay, guys, welcome back. I noticed that there is no question dropped yet, but if you have any question, you can still go ahead and drop your question. So I'm going to answer them before the end of the class. Okay, so I'm going to continue from where I stopped, creating your company's page. All right. So this is the company that we created now, company for practice. Actually, there are no followers. You can view it the way it appears. It's going to appear as a member. So you need to start optimizing this page now as the company. You need to start creating content for this as a company. So first thing is to put the cover picture. If you added the logo when you were creating it, the logo is going to appear here as well. All right, so you put everything that they're asking for. You see edit page here, and then you can actually put all the necessary info that are here, all the necessary information. You put them here. Okay, so you can see add description, add logo. These are the things that they're asking you to put in place. Okay, so now after you are done with optimizing the page, you're done with everything that you're supposed to do, you can go ahead and then start posting. Okay, so if you want to post, just come to page post. You want to post, just come here, click on start a post. Okay, then you give the post a title. Let's say my LinkedIn journey, or let me use something that is very catchy that will make people want to read it. LinkedIn is very boring. I hate it. Okay, so you can use something like this so that people will actually want to read whatever it is that is underneath. That what are you talking about? Is it really boring? Or I agree with you, it's actually boring. So different reason will actually make people want to read it. Okay, so you can now start going ahead and then now explain that when you first join LinkedIn, you find LinkedIn boring, and then you think that people are trying to fake it. Okay, so you can write all of that when you're done, but the headline should be catchy enough for people to actually read whatever you have. So if you want to add an image, you can go ahead and add a photo. That's if you have a design that you want to add. So you can add a photo, upload from your computer, whatever picture you have, upload from your computer, and then it's going to be there like the way it appears on Facebook and other platform, the same way it appears here. Okay, so this is the image, and then this is the caption. So you can go ahead and post, or you can schedule it. This is the icon for scheduling, so you can schedule for later. Okay, you can schedule it for later. Whenever you want it to come up, it will come up. So the same way you schedule on Meta Business is the same way you schedule here as well. So you can go ahead and post now. Okay, so once you post, your post comes up, but they want you to share it on your profile. Okay, so if you click on continue, it shares on your profile, but if you say not now, then it goes away from your profile. Okay, so that is just the simple way that it works. So if you want to post a video, you can go ahead and post the video, and then you can write article. The same blog you put on your website, you can also put them here as an article. So we call it newsletter actually on LinkedIn. So you can start posting articles, start posting newsletter. So you can use catchy headline as well, like the one I used. I think one of my students used something like this. She's a web developer, so she had to try to get people's attention. So she used something like this. My website is horrible. Okay, so before she started writing, so you can put a cover, a banner, you can put it here just to show that this is what you're talking about. So you can design it, or you allow LinkedIn to design for you. Actually, Microsoft have that in it because it's Microsoft that actually owns LinkedIn. Okay, so Microsoft have that in it, so you can actually do that. Okay, so you write your article, you can share it to your followers, they will read whatever it is that you've written. So make sure that whatever you're sharing is valuable. Remember, everything that we are talking about in digital marketing should be good content. If you don't have good content, then you're not doing anything right. All right, so for this nav bar here, after you're done creating your article, then you're good to go. You can keep creating, don't stop creating. That is why we have content calendar that can help you to create. Okay, content calendar can help you to achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve, so that you will know the kind of posts that you are posting at a particular point in time. You don't need to be racking your head, oh, what should I post today? Some people are talented that they have like 50 content ideas in their head per day, but some people are not. So you just need to schedule yourself and plan yourself. Even if you have ideas, you need to write them down so you will not forget them. So that's the whole idea of content calendar. Now, LinkedIn is a common platform known for job hunting as well. Okay, so after you've done all of this, you put all of this in place. If you don't have a business, you don't need to be creating a business page. You just focus on your profile. That if you don't have a business, just focus on your profile. But if you have a business and you feel like the business can thrive on LinkedIn, now the businesses that can thrive on LinkedIn are business that you want to target other businesses. Okay, businesses that you mostly want to target other business, you want other business to notice you as well. Okay, so LinkedIn is a very good platform for B2B, that is business to business. B2C is business to consumer or business to customer. Okay, so it's a very good platform for B2B. So if you're interested in reaching out to a corporate environment, you're interested in reaching out to a corporate company, this is where you have your chance. All right, so if you want to do a job hunt on LinkedIn, it is not a bad idea. So you can just come here. Automatically they pick your profile and then they pick from whatever it is that you have. Right? So you will find some job here. Though LinkedIn is saturated, very, very saturated. So depending on your profile, you will find different jobs here that are related to what you do. So you can see that what I'm having here: social media, digital marketing, social media manager, like this is what you will find here. Okay. So for those that are looking for a job, there is an extension that can actually help you to scan your CV and then to scan the job to actually check whether you are compatible for that job. So it will scan your CV and then check for this keyword. Now the extension is called Jobalytics. Okay, so just go online and then just search for Jobalytics. This is a Chrome extension, so you must be using Chrome. So just type Jobalytics extension. You can actually download it. So once you install it on your browser, then whichever job you want to apply for, just come to your, I think I have it here. So just come to your browser. You will upload your Jobalytics resume key, whatever. So you will upload your CV here. You upload your CV here. Cause my CV here. You upload your CV and then you analyze the job description. Okay, so once you analyze the job description, it gives you the percentage that you are good enough. You can see this is 36%. So that means my keyword does not have the right, my CV does not have the right keyword for the job. You can see what is asking me to add to it. What is missing: solution, marketing campaign, innovative, fast-paced development. So that means their system will actually throw away my CV because it's just 36%, and 36% is very, very, very low. So this is 36% resume match. All right, so that's the whole essence. Job analytics will help you to know what you need to put in place so you can actually edit your CV so that it can fit into the job. Okay, so that is why people used to advise that you don't use one CV for all jobs. Okay, you don't use one CV for all jobs. All right, so you can actually scan through some other jobs and then you use it to form your CV. Then you can use it to apply. It is so easy to apply, nothing will be taken away from you. You can just keep applying, but you still have to beware. Some jobs, they are just there. Like LinkedIn is so saturated that a lot of people can just post job just to get followers. Now let me show you what I mean. So let's say I want to apply for this job now. Let me see if it's going to be very fast. Say apply. Okay, this one is taking me out. I don't want the one that will take me out. I want a job I can apply on LinkedIn itself. No, this one. Anywhere you see easy apply. Easy apply means you can apply on LinkedIn itself. Okay, let me check this. It's not going to take me out. It's still taking me out. Um okay. It's okay, yes, this is it. This one has easy apply on it. So that means you can actually apply on LinkedIn. So just click on easy apply. Next, this is your resume. You review your resume, and then now this is what I mean when I say people come on LinkedIn just to get followers. When you're done putting all your information, you will see this checkbox here. Follow block rate consulting to stay up to date with their page. So if you leave this check, because it is always checked. So if you leave it checked, that means you're following them by default. All right. So when I found this, I had to go to my followers, and then I was seeing different things that were not necessary. So I had to unfollow a lot of them. Okay. So you can uncheck this. So once you uncheck this, that means you're not following. So LinkedIn is a saturated place where people just come there just to come and gain followers. Okay. Some even post, let's say like there is a particular company that post their course as internship. So they will come on LinkedIn and then they will post like they are looking for intern to actually intern in their company, maybe as so position, maybe as a developer or as a manager or something. So once you apply for that job, what they will tell you is that they are giving 50% discounts for you to register for their course and all of that. So that is their own strategy using LinkedIn, which is not ideal actually. That's why I said LinkedIn is saturated. But if you want a very good experience for LinkedIn, I advise you subscribe for premium. Okay, you can subscribe for premium. All right, so I'm smiling because it's not cheap. If you subscribe for premium, you will not have rubbish. I can assure you, you will not have rubbish. You have access to good recruiters. You can actually just reach out to good recruiters yourself, because day to day are using premium. Okay, so that's how it was. Now I'm not going to apply for this job. I'm going to just come out of this. Okay, so I just wanted to show us that that is how people get followers. So LinkedIn is a actually very big platform. You can play around with it, try to find your way around it. Now if you want to run ad on LinkedIn, it's a simple process as well. You can just come here, you see advertise on LinkedIn. So that means you must have a company page. If you don't have a company page, you might not be able to advertise. Okay, you cannot advertise as a profile or as an individual. So once you click on that, to tell you to get started, so you can use your ad account and then you use the right page that you want the ad to appear on. Like I said, it's a little bit expensive for us around here because it's in dollars. Okay, so people tend to run away from it and just focus on Facebook that you can use your Naira card on. So can start creating your campaign, and then from there you follow all the necessary details that you are supposed to follow. Okay, so it is not like a big deal. You can just create your campaign, you create your ad group, you create everything that you're supposed to. You can see that the process is almost the same thing. You choose your objective and everything. So you can go over yesterday's video just to understand how this work. I'll not be spending much time here, just to understand how it works. Okay, so that's how you grow your LinkedIn page. And also, if the people don't send you network, if they don't send you connection request, try to send connection request as well. There is no crime in that. Search for people, because once you add them, they add to your connections as well. Okay, so you can search for a particular person like this digital marketer, for digital marketer, and then you send connection request to them. If you feel like okay, they are good enough, or you just want to grow your connection, if you're just starting out, you might have to grow your own connection by yourself. Okay, you might have to grow your connection by yourself. So you can keep sending out connection requests. Nothing will go wrong. I think I have this person already as my contact, so it's not showing me to follow or to connect. Okay, so you can just search for digital marketers, search for product managers, check for software developers, and then it will bring it out to you. You can follow them for tips. Okay, if I need SEO updates now, I go to LinkedIn, because what you will find on my timeline is update and update and update. So this is where I get most of my updates from before I use other research platform like Google Trends and Google Alert and Google News and stuff. Okay, so you can keep getting updates here, because professionals want to share their knowledge and they want to connect, they want to network. So LinkedIn is a very good platform to network, and I will advise you take full advantage of it. Okay, so this is where we are going to be stopping this night. we have gone this far. Okay, so if you want to go over it again, it is not a crime. Just go over it again. Just try to watch and then practice. Okay, if you practice more, it's going to help you, and then learn more. There are resources everywhere for you to learn. Okay, there are resources everywhere, and remember, there we are running a giveaway. Okay, so we are still watching out for the winner. The winner can get a scholarship, can get airtime, can get cash gift. Okay, so you can still go back to the video and then drop your comment, drop your like, get people to engage with your comment, and then from there you can win scholarship to learn the full course, any course of your choice actually. All right, so we'll be having our cyber security class next week, starting on Monday. Okay, so you can tune in and then learn a little bit about cyber security. I'm sure it's going to watch your while. Okay, so just stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so see you guys later. Bye.